How to fix camera not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera. Now here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it, and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and scroll down and click on system update. Now click on software update. Here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings. Enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.